Hello guys, today we are going to discuss June long challenge from CodeSafe, and I solved 5 problems in this contest in the first day of the contest, and this was my first contest in CodeSafe. So let's discuss first problem, that is safe and price control. I hope you have read problem statement. So I will just explain the problem statement. The problem is very simple, simplest of all the 5 which I solved. So let's discuss this one. What problem states that a safe has n items in its shop numbered 1 to n. For each I, that is index of items, you have given price of items, that is this 10, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and for each test case there is a value k, and this is the seal price of any item. So if you can see, the first item has price 10. So if the first item gets sold, total loss will be 6 to the safe. So we have to just find total losses to safe. We can just take this example. Let's take this one. So you can see it's n equals to 5 and total number of items are 5 and k equals to 4. So now we can do, we just have to find total losses to safe. So for first item the loss will be 10 minus 4, and for second item loss, it won't lose any cost to safe since this is already less than 4, so it will be 0. Now for third item it will be 0 since 3 is less than 4. And for fourth item it will also be 0. Now for fifth item it will be 5 minus 4, so total loss will be 6 and 1, so its answer would be 7. So you can see it's 7 here. Now let's just code this one. We have t test cases, so we just have to take input n and k. And an array, no need to have an array, so just while n minus minus total n elements, so we have to just input item price, so int n, sorry a, let's price a. Now if a greater than k, let's just take a variable loss equals to 0. Now we have to calculate loss for every item. Loss plus equals to a minus k, and we have to calculate a minus k. Now we can this is okay. Now we can just print answer, that is loss. Let's run this. Copy. It's taking time. You can see it's showing right answer. Now we just have to do just copy and paste. This is nothing but I have defined a function power, which is not used in this case. Let's submit this one. I have already submitted this. Let's again do this. You can see it's now just hit submit button. It's taking time. You can skip now for 2 or 3 seconds. Oh, it's AC. So that was the problem, quite easiest problem in this contest. So in next video we will discuss the second problem, that is ceph and string, and all these problems will be discussed. So hope you like this video, and comment for any doubt.